Hey ladies, I'm here with new grammar for week 14. So for timeline, we have Columbus sails to the Caribbean, age of absolute monarchs, go please, Protestant Reformation, this is the sign for change, Spanish, conquistadors, I don't know in the Americas how to say that. So Spanish, and then the sign for conquer. Calvin's Institute of the Christian Religion. Council of Trent. So 2 R's in the sign for change. Baroque period of the arts. You do the sign for decoration. Okay. Then for math, we're doing a cup stack. So let's see if I have room to even show this to you guys. So I'll give each student a chance to do the cup stack with the grammar. So they'll say 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. 12 inches equals 1 foot. 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. I need that, Sissy. Where's the one go that I wrote on? Where's the one I wrote on? Oh, can I have that, please? Here, use a different one. My work of art was getting used for Play-Doh purposes. And 1 kilometer equals 5/8 of a mile. So each student will get a chance to build this tower. And that's math. For history, we will sing the song with some hand motions. You can find these hand motions in several YouTube videos. I've simplified them because a lot of my students get very overwhelmed with hand motions, and sometimes I do too. So all we're doing is 4 hand motions for this. So during the late 1800s, tycoons like Vanderbilt, Rockefeller, Carnegie, and Swift fueled the nation's industrial age by developing American resources. So you're doing 8, the money sign, this really cool sign for fuel, and then hand over heart for American resources. For Latin, I'm going to do a screen recording of the King Things song. You can find that on YouTube as well for John 1:1. And then I will also, on the screen recording I'm going to create, I will just replay several times this one sentence that we're supposed to be focusing on for this week. I will give the students an option to try the hand motions with me. It won't be required because the hand motions are really fast. So hoc erat in principio apud Deum. The same was in the beginning with God. Goes really fast. The same was in the beginning with God. Then for science, science was a little bit tricky this week, so we're going to pretend like we're making phone calls. I might actually see if my kids still have some play plastic phones to do this. And so I'll choose a student and I'll call them and say, Caroline, what is an element? Can you help me? I don't know what an element is. And Caroline will say, yes, Miss Livy. An element is a basic chemical substance defined by its atomic number and atomic mass. And I will ask this question to students that can read, so they can just read it off the board. And for students that can't read, I will have them ask me. So I'll have them ask me, Miss Livy, what is an element? And I will answer them since they can't read. For English, we are going to use Play-Doh. In the video I watched, she actually used blocks, but my kids don't have blocks. They have Legos. I was going to use Legos, but then it was going to be super complicated. So we're just breaking off pieces of Play-Doh. So for to break, we're going to do to break, break, breaks, broke, breaking, broken. Okay? And I think that'll be pretty fun. And then last is geography. So first I will say it to them. I will say today's geography is Northwest Mountains, Cascade Mountains, Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, and Denali. And then I will do I say, you say, and that will be 3 repetitions. And then to close it, we will find it on the map 4 times. It's not difficult if you have the CC maps. They're already lined out for you. So I'll give them all dry erase markers, and they will point out the Cascade Mountains, Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, and then Denali. Be sure and tell them this is way north in Alaska, but they had to show us down here. So I'll have them draw and poke where those mountains are with dry erase. Erase it 3 times. And that's it. That's new grammar. For review, we're going to play Battleship. I did numbers 1 through 6 out of habit. I actually need to do numbers 6 through 12 for review. And then Latin, math, geography, English, science, and history. And I put some colored construction paper on the back so we can't see through each other's team's papers as we're playing. Thanks for that tip, Cassie. And then you'll notice I don't have timeline on here. It's difficult to review timeline in snippets because timeline is challenging. So we will probably do a separate review of timeline aside from Battleship, where we just sit together and do the hand motions and the song up to week 14. We did that last week and it was good. And that's it. I hope this helped. See you girls tomorrow.